Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are here for the very first time, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are doing a full Sunday reset. We are going to clean and organize this room, starting with the closet. First, I'll remove everything, give it a good wipe down, and then put everything back in order.
The final beat up keeps going on. And the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to the peak. Without no
I'm still debating whether to add a chest of drawers for the bedding or have this closet painted and fitted with doors. Right now the beddings are open and prone to dust, so by the time you need them, they already have a light layer of dust. Keep it locked for updates on what I finally decide.
regret. You got no love without no love. You got no regret without no regret. You got no love. A melody where I belong in this life.
In the meantime, I picked up this handy storage bag, if I can call it a bag, from Easily. It is perfect for holding some duvet and blankets, and it really helps to save space. Let's see how everything looks once we are done organizing.
Sends me to the peak. Can't we find any light without the music around? There will always be one love on life. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love.
Here is the plan for the closet. On this side we are keeping beddings. On the upper shelf I'm placing towels and a few extra sets of beddings. The next section is for the neutrals, that is the cream white, creams, off-white and other neutral sets.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We said down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave.
section is for the mixed color beddings, and the last shelf still holds other color sets.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
Throw blankets and bedspreads go on this other side of the shelf, and at the very top I'm keeping the Euro pillows, which I don't use more often.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
Let's now clean and organize this dressing table. Closet is complete, we move to the bed because every Sunday reset includes a fresh bed. I strip the bed, wipe it down with a mild damp cloth to remove any dust, clean the windows, the carpet before mopping the floor. As usual, guys, I'll make and style my bed with you.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go all down. See me for me. Stars from the night, one by one, no longer blind. So now that I found what I was looking for.
Finally, I make the bed neatly, and here is the finished look. Clean, organized and so cozy. This entire process took me a few hours, but it was absolutely worth it because it looks so fresh and inviting. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like the video. Remember to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much and stay blessed.